ladies and gentlemen, as you guys understand, here at Garage Defend, we've been pumping some of the coolest built Nissan Skyline GTR 34s, and this time around, we're about to send out a very special car to NISMO OMORI Factory to get it converted as a NISMO CRS. And that is this donor car. In this video, you want to give a quick shout out on the car before she is gonna enter to NISMO OMORI Factory and reborn as a NISMO CRS. Here at this shop, guys, we've been getting every year special NISMO car by NISMO OMORI Factory. We have made videos and KAD, original car NISMO CRS, black, one of its kind in the world. We made one, and this time, this one is going to be in midnight purple 3 color. We have, believe it or not, 6 NISMO CRS cars already lined up with the NISMO OMORI Factory over the next 3-4 years, and we are gonna have such a fabulous time providing the details, giving a shout out for those cars for you guys. Colors option for the next projects for this one is gonna be Midnight Purple 3, another Midnight Purple 3, Millennium Jade, CAD, and many more to come in the future. But in this video, guys, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the NISMO CRS car and what kind of requirements that we have for them, for NISMO OMORI Factory to accept a project for a NISMO potential CRS car. Guys, to start with, NISMO is extremely difficult to work with, and they have very strict requirements. And those requirements include the donor car to be fully stock. It has to be accident-free, absolutely no rust issues, and in a beautiful state for them to dismantle it and start building from zero up as a NISMO CRS car. And this is an example of this one, for example, that you guys can see. I'll let you guys know that when NISMO started this NISMO CRS project, they selected Silver Edition, V-Spec Edition, GTR 34 as a NISMO CRS base car. So we follow that tradition all the time and select a V-Spec Edition, GTR 34, and preferably it's in silver condition. And in the case of this one, it is absolutely accident-free, rust-free, beautiful condition, in stock condition, except for very minor upgrades, such as, again, as you guys can see, that extra add-ons and the Hakosuka style old GTR logo, and a couple more stuff which are super easy to add and super easy to get rid of. We had this project going on with NISMO OMORI Factory, particularly on this case for the past 2 years. We had to make the request, take the car to NISMO OMORI Factory, get it inspected, confirm with them with the CRS project, have meetings about the details and specs of the CRS project that we are building, and of course, everything has to be paid up front for that, for them to put you in the line. And this car has been sitting here at our shop for the past 2 years, waiting for its turn to come. And it's 2025 already, and now NISMO is requesting us to bring it to NISMO OMORI Factory so that they start the dismantle process and start building up the car from ground zero. And guys, with that, let's take a look at the car, a little bit more details. What kind of stock car that they require. Again, fully stock just like this. If you have, let's say, such as Z-Tune bumper or a couple more upgrades, it's also okay for them. But again, strictly, it has to be repair-free, absolutely rust-free, and no any funny upgrades. In the case of this car, we purchased this car, guys, from USS Tokyo Auction House. It was graded 4.5B, one of the highest grades the car can get. And of course, this one, just like any and all other cars that we take to NISMO OMORI Factory, has to be under 50,000 kilometers at the very most. This one is under 50, looks immaculate, and this is pretty much stock base car for it to be ready to be dismantled and rebuilt again in a very special color. Over time, as we've been working with NISMO OMORI Factory, they've been providing us different stashes of options for the NISMO CRS project. In the case of this one, once the car is completely dismantled, interior will be repainted, Midnight Purple 3 as well. Everything that you can think about, the car is going to be absolutely redone. And it's going to be my pleasure, guys, sitting at this shop at the end of 2025, after 10 months, once they finish the car up as a Midnight Purple 3, to give you a quick shout out on the car saying, guys, this is ready. It's gonna be super exciting once everything is done, completely converted to NISMO CRS as a Midnight Purple 3 project. Looking at the back side, very much stock looking back. Just want to let you know a couple of things that's missing on NISMO CRS project. Some of them big time missing items on the CRS project to make it complete is the taillights. NISMO taillights have been discontinued more than 10 years ago. That's why NISMO CRS is coming from NISMO OMORI Factory. Does not come with the special NISMO taillights. But hey, guys, We are the pioneers of GTRs here in Japan, and we can always have the access for some of the rarest parts that nobody else can find. And we are this time installing up a special NISMO taillights on the car before delivery to NISMO Omori factory, so that they can use that car to make the car complete exterior wise. Of course, when the car is redone, everything, suspensions, exhaust, everything will be redone. Of course, with a brand new engine, NISMO 2.8 liter R4 engine, one of the best engines right now that comes from Omori factory. And of course, including the V-Spec diffuser on the car will be completely taken out, and they will install us a fresh, brand new V-Spec diffuser, including all in any car Nissan and NISMO still have brand new. This car, guys, will have it. With that, let's take a quick look at the interior, guys. I want to show you and give a quick shout out how the interior of a donor car for NISMO CRS looks like. We made those tapes to protect those parts, so as this kick panels, but at the end of the day, guys, those kick panels will be replaced with brand new ones anyways. Interior of the car looks very much stock. Whoops. See what happened? The car comes with all spare keys, which is beautiful. As you guys can see, that 2 factory spare keys, one for the trunk, and security system was installed as well. Stock steering wheel will be replaced with the NISMO Omori factory steering wheel. We will have a NISMO cluster on it, 320, and all the central panels on the car, seats, the carpets, everything will be redone at NISMO Omori factory, which we are very much excited for here at Garage Defend to receive at the end of this year, and send out 2 more cars to NISMO Omori factory for next year's project, which is super excited. First one, the next one's gonna be Millennium Jade, based on M-Spec newer, comes with a very special engine. And after that, it's gonna be another MNPIII 3, very special car. So we are gonna take a great pride in presenting those cars for you guys. And with that, let's pop up a hood, take a look at the engine room compartment. Looking absolutely fresh and beautiful, as you guys can see that. If you look at the strut towers, they're original factory strut towers, beautiful condition. Air pipings have been aftermarket installed, such as a couple of other parts which were confirmed by NISMO. They said okay, because they're gonna again take out everything on this engine compartment and completely convert it as NISMO CRS full package engine room compartment, coming with a special NISMO R4 2.8 liter engine. You'll have a NISMO intercooler cooling system, exhaust system. Everything is gonna be brand new, freshly done. Guys, stay tuned. I just wanted to give a quick shout out for you guys on the donor car that we are about to send at the end of January 2025 to NISMO Omori factory. And God willing, at the end of this year, you will see a MNPIII 3 GTR34 V-Spec converted by NISMO Omori factory into a NISMO CRS. Guys, stay tuned, and I look forward to see you guys in next videos to come. So, mata ne. Cheers.